Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about how to do a twist out on natural hair, so stay tuned. So I'm starting off with basically it's not stretched hair, but I did wash my hair and also I just air dried it. And so this is the next day. I am using my comb to part. You really don't have to use a comb. I'm honestly not going to be using my comb to make parts. It's just to start off with. So I'm going to just use my fingers and I'm going to just split it there. And I'm going to use my bobby pin to separate my hair. Then I'm going to use my Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. I'm going to do like 3 drops. And that's just to add moisture in my hair. I need you desperately, 'cause I gotta be. And then I'm going to put my olive oil in my hair, and that is to add shine and also lock in the moisture. And then I'm using the Main Choice Crystal Orchid, and that is for my styler for this style, and that is going to be to hold my curls in place. I'm using my white tooth comb to separate any tangles that I have in my hair. This is Happy Edge styling gel, not styling gel, I'm sorry. This is Happy Edge's edge controller, and I'm just putting that on my edges. And then you just split your hair in twos, and then you just start basically just twisting down. You want your twists to be as tight as possible. The more tighter your twists are, the more definition you will have in your curls. Just an FYI. So the way I'm twisting here, I do a twist, but then I turn with it, and that's how you make it real tight. So twist, turn, twist, turn. And I say it because you're all I need, for better or worse, to the end of time. Everything else is pretty much repetitive. I am doing the same thing throughout each section of twist that I do.
Yo, what's up, boo? I know you never had a love like this before, but you know, I'm gonna be that one for you. Hilton and Bar, drop that.
When twisting your hair, you will get to a point where some of your hair is uneven, because when you do twist, you do want to not borrow hair from one twist to another. So I did have to borrow some of my hair only because I had cut my hair in some layers. But this is all of my twists here, so I will see y'all the next day. When I put the twist in my hair, I didn't really know how to wear it at night. Just wrapped my hair, I just took a twist and I just wrapped it around, and then I had put a bobby pin in. So that's what you see here. So I really hope this turns out good. If not, I'm still working. If it's a fail, keep on working at it, because eventually it'll become something. I don't know. Yeah.
What you say? That you only meant well.
Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to put some oil in my hair, in my hands, my bad. And you want to put oil in your hands, that way it'll be easier for you to separate your twist, and also that way you don't cause frizz, or won't cause frizz. So I am putting some more oil on my hands since I ran out, and I'm just going to put that all over my twist. I am done unraveling. So when you unravel your twist or separate, you do want to get it to where it naturally separates itself. You don't want to force the separation, because that can cause frizz as well. Okay, so since this is day 1 hair of me taking it out, I'm not going to separate so much of it. But what I am gonna do is I'm going to put volume in it, and like right now I'm just feeling for bigger chunk of twist. I can't even see, so that's what makes it a little more harder. I'm just separating any that I feel that needs, but I'm not gonna over separate. You don't want to over separate this, so I'm gonna just pick away. You won't regret it, much needed heaven.
Girl, whatever you want me.
But yeah, I love it, y'all. Like, it has so much flow to it. Like, I can shake it and it just feels so soft and fluffy. And here comes my husband. He's about to disturb my video and tell me bye. Don't bump the camera.
Love you.
Wow. Love you. Have a good day. Anyway, I really hope you guys like my twist out and how it came out. So, and also I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button. That way you can see when I upload new videos, and also press the notification button beside the subscribe button. So if you have a mobile phone, you can like get notifications when I upload new videos. Like, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to miss your girl. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.